Fundamental algebraic operations. Some basic definitions. Algebraic operations are mainly addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and taking roots. Algebraic expressions are any combination of numbers and literal symbols that results from algebraic operations. For example, 3x squared minus 2 plus 5 is an algebraic expression. A term is basically each part of an algebraic expression that is being added or subtracted. So in my previous example here, 3x squared is a term, negative 2 is another term, and 5y is another term. A factor then is basically each part of an algebraic expression that is being multiplied. So 3x squared factors are 3 and x squared. 5y factors are 5 and y. Okay, 2 is also a factor here because it's negative 2 times 1. So 5 is also a factor here. Okay, polynomial then is an algebraic expression with only non-negative integer exponents on one or more variables. So it can have more than one variable, one or more, but exponents for variables has to be non-negative integers, meaning that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number, 0 even, but no negatives, no fractions. And no variable should be in the denominator, meaning that a variable cannot be in denominator. X over y is not good. Okay. Example here is 2x squared minus 4 plus 3y is a polynomial. Okay. Degree of a term is basically then the sum of the exponents of variables of that term. 2x to the power of 4, y to the 3, the degree of this term is basically 7, 4 plus 3. We add the exponents for the variables. The numbers alone has nothing to do with the degree of the term. Okay. Degree of polynomial, the degree of the term that has the highest degree in the polynomial. So if I have 5x squared plus 2y to the 5 plus 3xy, the variable here y has the highest power 5, so the degree of this particular polynomial is 5. Multinomial, as name suggests, any algebraic expression with more than one term we call multinomial. This is a multinomial. This is a multinomial. Okay. Monomial is a polynomial with only one term. So this is example of monomial. It has two variables, but it only has one term. Terms are being separated by pluses or minuses. So this is separating the term. This is separating a term. Negative 4 and positive separates the term. Okay. Binomial then, a polynomial with two terms. 5x squared plus 2y to the 5, it has two terms, 5x squared and 2y to the 5. So it's known as binomial. Trinomial then should have three terms, 5x squared, 2y to the 5 and 3xy. Okay. Coefficient basically are the numbers in front of variable, the numerical factor of a term. 5x squared, 5 is the coefficient, 2y to the 5 is a coefficient, 2 is the coefficient there. Okay. Like terms, as name suggests, terms that differ no more than their numerical coefficients, meaning that the numbers in front can be different. Variables should have same exponents and same variables. 3xy, xy, they are like terms because there is one x here, one x here, one y here, one y here. The number in front, which we call coefficients, does not matter. Negative 5x squared and 3x squared are like term. 2x squared and 2y squared will not be like term because x squared and y squared different variables. 5x and 5x squared will also not be like term because 5x, x is only 1, 5x squared has two x's. So like terms has to have same variables with same exponents on them. 8xy and 8yx will be same. They are like term. xy, yx still similar variables with same exponents.